Greetings students. In this video we'll start with exercise 12A question number 7. So far we have completed till question number 6. So question 7 is write T for true and F for false. Okay. And here is the question. 15 paise is equal to 15 percentage of a rupee. We need to find either both are equal or not. Left hand side and right hand side both are equal or not. Okay. If it is equal, the answer is true. So we can write in the box T. If it is false, then you can put F. Okay. So first of all, as we know that 100 paise is 1 rupee, right? 1 rupee 100 paise. So here we are going to convert this paise into rupee. Okay, so 15 paise. So 100 paise is 1 rupee, means 1 paise is this 100, it will come as a division, right? So 1 paise is 1 by 100 rupee. Okay, 1 paise is 1 by 100 rupee, means 15 paise means 15 by 100, right? So 1 paise is 1 by 100 rupees. So 15 paise here it is given. So 15 paise is equal to 15 by 100 of a rupee. So 15 by 100 of a rupee. Okay. As we already know that in previous sums we have done like this. 1 by 100 means instead of that you can put percentage, right? So when the denominator is 100 you can put the percentage. So 15 percentage of a rupee. So okay. So here also in question also same thing is given. 15 paise is equal to 15 percentage of a rupee. So the statement is true. Okay. Then here you can see 40 centimeter is equal to 4 percentage of a meter. Okay, here also 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. That means 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to this 100. When it will come this side, it will come as division. 1 by 100 meter. So 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. 40 centimeter means 40 by 100, right? 40 by 100 of a meter. So now 1 by 100, instead of this 1 by 100 I can put percentage because out of 100, right? So 40 percentage of a meter. So 40 centimeter is equal to 40% of a meter. Both left hand side and right hand side are equal. So the statement is true. Okay. So here you can see 300 meter is equal to 3 percentage of a kilometer. So 300 meter as usual, 1000 meter is 1 kilometer, right? 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to this 1000. When you will bring this side, it will come as division. So 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay. So 1 meter is 1 by 1000 kilometer. We need to find 300 meter. So 300 by 1000 kilometer. Okay. Actually, we need the denominator 100, right? For that, you can cancel this 0 also, and you can write it as 30 percentage also you can write. Otherwise, now as usual, when the denominator is not 100, then what you will do the multiplication. Both the numerator and denominator you will multiply by 100. Then you will keep this 1 by 100 separately. Then after that you will cancel, right? You can simplify these all three numbers, right? So you will get 30 multiplied by 1 by 100 kilometer. That is 30 percentage of a kilometer. Okay. You can do in that way also, or directly from this step, right? 300 by 1000, you can cancel 1 0, both the numerator and denominator. Then 30 by 100 it will be. So 30 by 100 is 30 percentage of a kilometer. Okay. But here you can see only 3 percentage is given. 300 meter is equal to 30 percentage of a kilometer. But here in question 3 percentage of a kilometer is given. So the statement is false. So we have to put F. Okay, so next question is, see here, 500 ml is equal to 50 percentage of a liter. See, 1000 ml is 1 liter, right? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 of a liter. Okay, so here 500 milliliter. So 500 by 1000. 500 by 1000. So here also same thing, you can cancel 1 0. Then you will get the denominator 100. So 1 by 100 is percentage now. So 50 percentage of a liter. In question also same thing is there. 500 ml is 50 percentage of a liter. So the statement is true. Okay, so you can put the T symbol. Here 10 percentage of 70 is equal to 10. Okay, here just as a number it is given. So you can take the left hand side first. 10 percentage of 70 is equal to 10 percentage means divided by 100, right? So 10 by 100. Of means you know that multiplication. So multiply by 70. Okay, 10 by 100 multiply by 70. Cancel this 0 with this 0. Then this 0 and this 0 it will cancel. So remaining you can see that this 2 and 4, when you will cancel 2, 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. So here by 5 table, first of all you have to cancel, then after that here 2 table, when you will cancel, 2 multiplied by 33 is 66. Okay, so here also it is given same thing in right hand side, so both are equal, so you can put true. Okay, the statement is true. And 30% of 750 kilometer is equal to 225 kilometer. So here also 30 percentage of 750 kilometers. See, both side unit are same only. Okay, so just you need to do this simplification only. 30 percentage you can write it as 30 by 100. Of means multiply by 750 kilometer. Okay, so 0 0 will cut. Then here also this 0 and this 0 will cut. Then 3 multiplied by 75 is 225. Okay, so 225 kilometer. So here also you got the same in right hand side, so both are equal, so the statement is true. See, H part, 11 2 by 3 percentage of 420 liter is equal to 40 liter. 11 2 by 3, just as usual you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction of 420 liter. Then this mixed fraction is 11 multiplied by 3 33, 33 plus 2 35, 35 by 3 percentage multiplied by 420 liter. This percentage, how you will write? You will write it in division, right? In divided by 100. So already here it is a fraction, so 35 by 3 divided by 100 I have put. Here by down it is actually 1 in the denominator, so multiply by 420, right? So this one, as we already know that this division, when you will replace in multiplication, you have to take the reciprocal of this part, this fraction, right? So 35 by 3, when you will replace this division in multiplication, so multiply by this 100, you will take the reciprocal, so 1 by 100 multiply by this 420. So you can simplify this 0 and this one, and then by 5 table, 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10, then again this one by 2 table, and then this one by 3 table. Again when you will cancel like this, you will get 49. Okay, then here you can see 40, so the statement is false. Okay, so the statement is false, you can put the symbol F. This is all about 7th question. Okay students, so practice the question sums. Thank you.